Customer states brake noise. Check it out, guys.
What's up, y'all? So I'm working on this 1998 Ford Ranger, and this is a little public service announcement here. Always check your brakes. I mean, look at this rotor. It is ground down. It's supposed to be that thick. Look how thick it is. It is ground down that much. And here's the old brake pads. I mean, you can see when they say metal on metal, that's metal on metal. Look at that. So I guess someone didn't bleed the brakes right, because we still got good brakes on this. This is the other side off the same caliper. So that's pretty insane. I mean, look at the difference. It just goes to show you, you always have to check your brakes. They start squealing, check them. I mean, look at this carnage. This worn out brake pad was already on there, and I was, trying to get it on the pad where it's flat to work on it, and I heard a popping noise, and I lost all brakes. So I had to hit the e-brake, started rolling fast backwards. So it scared me for a second. I was like, what the heck? Something just broke, bolt just broke, something just broke. Here we go. Time to, spend a couple hours fixing broken stuff. So what it was is, this thing got so ground down, it actually popped out of the bracket. It actually was in here, and it popped out, and it was laying in the gravel because it got so worn down. It couldn't stay in there anymore, so it popped out. Luckily, my caliper's in good shape. It didn't mess anything up, but that just goes to show you, if these things are making noise, you gotta check them, because he's lucky that didn't kill somebody, or he didn't crash, because, I mean, I just backed down, a little slope, and I couldn't brake. I mean, if you're going 50 miles an hour and that thing pops out, you're gonna have some friggin' carnage. It's good we're doing this right now. We're gonna take these things off and re-grease all the bearings and check all the bearings, and I got new pads and rotors, so it's a good thing I didn't try to take these and get them turned, because yeah, they turn themselves with that metal on metal action. So this is just a little PSA for y'all. Always check your brakes, or else you end up with this. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Later.